So in my computer keyboard I can see this is the number lock key. So I press this number lock. So now I can see that we have enabled this number lock, and now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8269. After typing 8269 you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that now a symbol have been arrived. So this is a rightwards bullet symbol. So we have created this. You must try this after opening your Microsoft Word, MS Word in your Windows computer for creating this symbol. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.